Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the tropical knot. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side, it's at the belt line. I'm going to come over here, I'm going to put in a dimple right here. We're just going to bring it over to the center like this. We're going to come around like this. And then we're going to come down like so. Then I'm going to come up and over like this, leave this loose. Bring this down like this and then stop right there. Fold this in half like this. Got this technique from Boris Mocha. We're going to come back around like this. Bring it through like this. I'm going to have it folded over like this and bring it over the top like this and then come down like so. This will be folded in half. I'm just going to put the rest of this through this loop. Might come undone a little bit. Then I'm going to put it through here like this. So there we have it. So let me put my collar down. And let's put the tie in the vest. So I'm using a very summer themed tie here with this aqua. You might look blue to you, but it's more like a aquamarine look, which is a shade of blue. But just kind of making it look summery and festive and tropical best I can, and making it look there we have it. Looks pretty good. So if you want to see the picture of this, go to my Instagram. Check it out at SimmonsEssentials. Peace and God bless. And the more I look at that, You know what I'm going to name this? I'm going to name this the Soul Surfer knot. This is the Soul Surfer. So, enjoy this knot. Tag me on Instagram. Of course, the name of this will be in the title. Peace and God bless.